do the Mink forelimb and head and torso. So on the mink's head, there's a muscle here that helps them chew called the masseter. And then this muscle up here is the temporalis, and both of these have a pretty thick fascia over top of them. Past the temporalis, we've got this big sheet of muscle called the cleidocervicalis. So the cleidocervicalis has been cut and reflected, and underneath of that, we've got our levator scapulae, which has a black pin. And then this muscle here is the omotransversarius, and it has a teal pin in it. And then underneath the top of the levator scapulae is the supraspinatus with the purple pin. This little skinny muscle here is the scapulodeltoid with the mint green pin in it. And then up here with the red pin is the infraspinatus. So the infraspinatus is on the posterior side of that spine of the scapula. And if you push down there, you can feel the spine of the scapula. So we've got infraspinatus on one side with the red, and then we've got supraspinatus on the other side with the pink. And then if we come over a little bit more, we've got this long skinny muscle called the dorsoepitrochlearis with the mint green pin. At the very top, we can see the beginning of the teres major, which has this dark blue pin in it. This muscle right here with the green pin, the dark green pin, that's the triceps brachii long head. This would be triceps brachii lateral head with the black pin. And then this little purple pin is in the brachialis muscle. If we flip our mink over, we can see the digastric muscle. Okay, it has a green pin in it. The white pins are in the sternomastoid, which run down the front of his neck. And then the red pins here are in the pectoralis superficialis. So that one's been cut and reflected, and we can see how the pectoralis profundus with the yellow pins is going to run up under the pectoralis superficialis. And then the biceps brachii, we put a white pin in the biceps brachii. The best way to see it is from this medial side. If you lift up some of your pectoralis superficialis, you can see that white pin in the biceps brachii.